Go Texan Day started early at Kings Manor Elementary School, with many of the students wearing their hats and cowboy jackets and vests. Their dance routine was a perfect way to show off their cowboy boots as their rodeo roundup ran through the day. It was a perfect way to kids to let off some steam while learning a bit about Texas history. Each grade got a chance to fill the gymnasium for music and fun. Meanwhile, at Valley Ranch Elementary, their Go Texan Day consisted of a chili cook-off. Groups of teachers from each grade level got a chance to go for the first place ribbon and the school's front parking space for the year.
No rules, so it's a little bit of a surprise. We have some very creative individuals that have worked tirelessly over the week to prepare this yummy treat for us, but it really just is your interpretation as a chef, if you will, about what goes in the chili, and sometimes it's a secret.
The chili ranged from chicken to big chunks of beef or finely textured beef and beans, all cooked slowly for many hours to ensure tenderness.
So we have a variety from mild to super spicy, and we even usually have a little treat to kind of soften the palate, if you will, so we can get all the tastes that each participant brings to the table.